Hey guys, my name's Tommy, and I just acquired a 1987 Silver Spirit today. Um, I've always been a do-it-yourself kind of guy, and try to turn wrenches myself and fix everything I can. I get a enjoyment out of it. Anyways, so the point of this video was I bought the vehicle today, noticed that the odometer was not working. The car had been sitting for a while, and uh, it's been sitting for a while, and I guess they have a common problem. Come to find out that these inside of here, which I'll show you in a second, you see all this. This actually came out of it. It's one of the gears. It had disintegrated, and that's the problem. But anyhow, the process of doing this, guys, is it's straightforward, but the first step is you have to be kind of gentle and easy. And the reason why I say that is you have to pry this cover off. And in doing so, you have to just gently go around the edges, as you can see here, and kind of pry it off easy, gently, because you're going to need to put it back. So once you do that, then you put it aside, and you're left with this. Once you're left with this, the first thing you want to do, let me see if I can do this one-handed, it's kind of difficult, is you want to notice where your needle currently is at. And then you prop this up, take out your needle, put it to the side. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed. And once you do that, you're going to find that you have two flatheads. I already took off the other one. Two flatheads, screws that are holding on this faceplate. So, give me a second. You go ahead and unscrew this. Kind of difficult doing it one-handed. Go ahead, unscrew this. Once you unscrew that, go ahead and put it to the side. And you want to gently take off your gauge cluster. Once you do that, put that to the side. What you're going to see in here is this is what you'll see. God, I wish there was a way to better mount this. So you're left with this. The next step to this is go ahead and take out these. I think they're like thing to pass through light. So take those off. They just simply lift straight out. Just lift them straight out. And you're left with this clear plastic thing. It only goes in one way, guys. So notice the orientation. It is kind of bent. That's the orientation. You need to put it down is with the bent facing down. And the next step after doing that is you're gonna find four screws, which I already took out. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all the same length, so you don't have to worry. So go ahead and take off all four. Sorry, guys. I'm just totally trying to do this one-handed. I gotta hold this real quick. Okay. So go ahead and you would remove those four. And there's actually a video on this as well already out there. So if you have any questions, I can link you or whatever the case is. Went ahead and set the screw aside. After you're done with that, you simply just carefully just lift this straight up. It'll come straight out. This is what you're left with. You guys see this right here? Let me put this down. This is the gear that had disintegrated. This one right here. On that gear, there is a little, let's see if this thing can focus, a little C-clip. You're gonna want to remove that C-clip. It just pulls straight out. I can't show you guys right now because the way I'm holding the phone, but you basically just pull this straight out with maybe some needle nose pliers. And from there, you will install the new gear. I've seen some guys said that to put some a little bit of like assembly grease on there to lubricate it. And then once you get on there, go ahead and you will snap this back down. I will send you guys a link to where I bought the gear. So hopefully this will help out anyone else having this problem. From there, you will just put everything back in reverse order. Hope this helps. Thanks, guys.